17, you take this exam that pretty much determines the rest of your life, what college you'll get into. It's called examination. And for most Japanese, once they then get into college, it's pretty much kind of a ride. They get to party for 4 years before they take their place in corporate society and the whole button-down thing. With a few exceptions. If you go to their Harvard, which is Tokyo University, then you work your ass off. But for most Japanese, college is just kind of a time to relax. The real determination is whatever college they get is pretty much where they end up in life. You know? So you can kind of be like G.W. Bush, you know, get in the right college, you can be president.
Sure. And that's why there's so much pressure to get into college, and you have these 17-year-olds committing suicide.
And it's also why Japanese tend not to send their kids to schools like Eglon, because kids going to Eglon are outside of the system.
Right, and they won't be able to get back into the right university.
You see Japanese students in foreign colleges, but usually they do that after they've done the Japanese college, to kind of, just so they can get to know the Western way.
Okay.
But Mazur didn't do any of that. He went to foreign schools, and he went to a foreign university, and he's had a career basically outside of Japan. So in a way, even though he's Japanese, he's also an outsider.
Right.
Right. And I probably would insult him to say that to him, but, you know, it is. And, you know, I mean, he's making comments about the Japanese lack of innovation, which I think is a complete horse hockey.
Yeah, but aren't they risk averse? I have Japanese students telling me that there are 8-year-olds who want to become teachers because that's a safe job. They want to become government workers. Not Michael Jordan, no. They want to become government workers because it's paid and safe and stable. 8-year-olds.
Well, that's true. And, you know, but you should also know that being a teacher in Japan is a very highly regarded profession.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's not like, I mean, a teacher has all kinds of power. A teacher can go into your home and say, you know, and look around and say, you better start cleaning the house, or you better do this. I mean, teachers, because of the system of examination hell, you know, all kind of back into this whole thing. And the teacher is the guy. So, I mean, Japanese schools bully their kids. You know, that's why, like, Japanese overseas, they have, like, these old Japanese schools, and there's little colonies in foreign countries with Japanese schools where the kids go, so that they're not outside the system.
Right.
You know, I mean, there's good and bad. I mean, it's a very homogenous society. They probably have a larger middle class than any society I've ever seen. If you look at the range of life, like, most Japanese live within, like, this band. You know, the majority, like I'd say 90% of the country has the same standard of living.
That's an amazing. You're saying that, okay, there's poverty and then there's the super wealthy, but 90% is in your center?
That's just my impression.
Right.
It may not be that, but it certainly is. I have read things that say that it's higher than just about any Western country.
Yeah, because I know in United States, our middle class is getting squeezed.
Well, you know, Republicans have worked hard. You know, I mean, these monetary policies, I mean, with pretty much everything the critics said about them has come true, has proven to be correct. You know, I mean, the rich have gotten richer and the poor have gotten poorer. But then if you take the average overall, we're all richer, right?
But, yeah, that's a good point, right? Yeah, right.
But you know, the Japanese, you know, I mean, most Japanese live in a house, and you know, I mean, if you go over there, and you'll see it too. You know, they live, you know, and there's a lot of other things. You know, a lot of, you know, I mean, like they don't get to move around. Like, I mean, they don't get to do what I did, go back to school in your 30s or any of that stuff. But there is a lot of innovation there. And don't think for a moment that there isn't. You know, just because they didn't, okay, so they